It's important for everyone to plan for the future, but that can be hard when a loved one is diagnosed with dementia or Alzheimer's. I'm here with attorney Carol Thomas, so thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you very much.
We
it's
appreciate
nice to be here.
it. So what should someone do if a spouse or parent is diagnosed with dementia?
Well, I really appreciate the question because a lot of people don't know where to start. And obviously the emotional side of dementia is very difficult to deal with, so I think a support group is very helpful, getting families to help out. But the issue that I deal with as an elder law attorney is the financial aspects of dementia, which people are so worried about, but I think they're afraid to say something. Like, I'm worried I'm going to lose all my money if my spouse needs to go into a nursing home or my parent needs to go into a nursing home. And we as elder law attorneys can protect assets of people that have dementia if they need long-term care.
It's probably not something you want to plan for, but something you certainly should. So
Definitely.
Is there a difference in protection for a married person needing a nursing home compared to a single person?
Yes, entirely different. For a married couple, if one spouse goes in a nursing home, we are able to protect all of their assets, most of their income, and all of their real estate. So it's phenomenal what we can do for a married couple. For a single person, if they need long-term care, we can save on the average about 60% of what they have, but that's a whole lot better than the state says they get to keep $2,000.
And so what about a trust? What's the difference there between that and a will?
Well, a will only works after you die, and that seems pretty simple, doesn't it? If you have a will and you need long-term care, the will doesn't help us get anything protected. So I highly recommend a revocable living trust. A living trust lives with you. So if there are any incapacity issues, the family can deal with hopefully getting assets protected. Again, the biggest fear if someone's been diagnosed with dementia is they're going to lose their life savings.
So there's a lot to plan for ahead of time, and I mean, it just really seems to stress the importance of how much you should plan ahead, right?
Absolutely. I think if someone has gotten the diagnosis of dementia, it's extremely important that they meet with an elder law attorney to start talking about the finances. I think a lot of people are hesitant too because they don't want it to be like, well, I'm really worried about the money, yet down deep, of course they're concerned about their life savings.
Yeah, maybe not something you want to think about, but something you should think about, right?
Exactly, yes.
All right. Well, thank you so much for being with us today. We appreciate you always here. And if you at home would like any more information on today's topic, just head over to the TV5 homepage and click on the hot links section.